I'm back with a follow-up video to my first one I made about the 20-piece Craftsman ratcheting wrench set. Well, it irked me so bad, I drove to my local Sears and hassle-free got them both warranted. Girl at the counter didn't ask no questions. Told her the 8mm was slipping, which it was. She gave me a brand new one, made in China, and I got the 10mm. She asked me what was wrong with it. I told her, I said it was special. You know, but this one is a lot better. You know, you can see still China, but the quality's a lot better. The material's the same on both sides. It ain't got that funky, awkward thickness on one side and thinner on the other side. But anyway, it was driving me crazy. Sunday, wasn't doing anything. Went to Sears, got those two warranted out. So I'm kind of okay with it, but probably not going to use them. I'm going to stick them back in the box and probably put them in the bottom of the box or under the bottom of the box, or might put them in the closet, give them to someone for Christmas. But anyway, you know, I said in the first video that I was never going to buy Craftsman tools again, only if it was made in the USA. Guess what? I think I found the only two tools, Craftsman tools in Sears, that was still made in the USA, and I've been wanting one of these for a while. One is this 31-inch made in the USA pry bar. See right there, made in the USA. And it's got a striker cap on it. Been wanting a pry bar like this with a striker cap, because my snap-on pry bar that I've had for many years, made in the USA. So focus here. Come on, boy, I sound like one of them YouTubers now. Come on, camera, focus. But anyway, made in the USA, snap-on, but it doesn't have a striker cap. It's been a great pry bar. I know this pry bar is 20 plus years old, and it's seen a lot of use. Also, been wanting one of these socket trays. You could tell that this is new old stock. It's one of the twist kind. You put the socket on it, you twist it, and it locks it so the sockets won't fall off. Look at the packaging. It's already been opened. But anyway, made in the USA. I looked at all the tools while I was in there. Everything's made in China now. These are the only two Craftsman tools that I've seen that was made in the USA. Now I can get rid of that funky socket rail, like what just happened right there. Every time you pick the sockets up, they fall off. Cool. Well, there you have it, fellas. There's my Craftsman USA 2 haul. Made in USA. Made in USA. Not much left. Garbage. Y'all have a good day.